Communicate through chats. TaxDome's chat feature streamlines client communication by providing a secure, real-time messaging platform that supports task assignments, reminders, and file sharing. This tool enhances collaboration between firms and clients while also offering internal messaging for seamless team coordination. To send a message to a client, click the new button at the top of your portal and then select Chat in the menu that slides out. Then, select the client, enter a subject line, and enter the message. You can add client tasks either while creating the chat or at any later point. When you add them to a chat, they're conveniently displayed as to-do items with checkboxes. You can also toggle the reminders on if you want an email to go out to the client in cases where they don't respond within a certain time frame or complete the tasks you set up. Documents can also be sent through chats, both by your firm and the clients. Once done, click the Create Chat button. By default, your client would only see in the email notification that they received a message. However, you can control whether you want them to also see the full contents of the message in those notifications. For that, you need to go to your firm's settings and scroll down to the system-generated email section and then enable one or both of these toggles here, depending on who you want to see the message contents. To view all chat threads related to one account, go to the Accounts page in the Clients section. Then open an account and then go to the Communication tab in the bar at the top of the page. Here you will find all the open chat threads on the left, with the newest and unread ones being at the top of the list. Without even needing to open the chat, you can gather some information like the status of the tasks and whether there are any attached files in the chat. You will see check marks on the individual messages you sent. These let you know whether your client has seen the message, so they'll be gray if they haven't, and green if they have seen it. If you need to add new client tasks or check the status of the already existing ones in the chat, you'll see them in the section on the right, and you'll find the documents and reminder details in these tabs here at the top of the chat. You can also send internal messages that are visible only to team members, not clients. To make a message internal, simply toggle on this option. Internal messages are distinguished by color. Regular client-visible messages are blue, while internal messages are orange. You can combine with at mentions to notify specific colleagues. This ensures your team members are alerted and can collaborate seamlessly. Lastly, you can also create chat templates by opening the Templates section in the left sidebar menu and then going to the Firm Templates page. You would then need to go to the Chats tab and click on the Create Template button. In this new page, you will enter the message details, the sender, the subject line, and the contents of the message. If you want your message templates to be personalized, you can also add shortcodes to them. These shortcodes can be for any of the account information, including custom fields, but also dates. Once you create a template and you want to use it, you just need to select it in the template field when creating a new chat, and all the information from it will be loaded.